So today I'm going to make a chicken chop suey. So this can go in thousands of directions, can't it? Chop suey, I think it translates to something like bits and pieces or whatever's available. I've got quite a lot of vegetables in there, chicken breast. Now I'm using soy sauce and oyster sauce in there. Some people wouldn't put that in there because they like the sauce to be white, but I'm happy with that in there. I think it gives it a lovely flavour. Garlic, ginger, really simple. Add what you like. Let's get moving. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's get started on this then. Now look, you can use any selection of vegetables that you like. I'm just going to show you what I'm using today. White cabbage, carrots, zucchini, broccoli, bell peppers and mushrooms. Roughly about 2 cups each, but very roughly. Got some green onions there, scallions or spring onions, whatever you call them. Onion essential, tablespoon of garlic, tablespoon of ginger, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And here is our chicken. That is about 2 cups or 2 decent size chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut into nice thin pieces. Let's get started. So you're going to need a wok, skillet, pan or something like that obviously. I've got 2 tablespoons of oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil, corn oil or something like that works really well. In goes a tablespoon of ginger and garlic. Now we're on a high heat. This is pretty much going to be cooked on a high heat all the way. Next up we're going to drop in the chicken, cut nice and thin. And we're going to go for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring all the time. Fabulous. Next up, we're going to go in with about a cup of onion. And while I'm here, I'm going to drop in my carrot. I've cut it quite thin, but we want to get in our hardest vegetables first. So if you're using celery, for example, which is very popular in this dish as well, you'd be putting that in now. Big pinch of black pepper. We're not going to be adding salt because we've got soy sauce, oyster sauce, and especially fish sauce, which are all very salty. 2 minutes, keep it moving, high heat. So the carrots have just got a head start on everything else. So, broccoli, mushrooms, cut them, fairly chunky. White cabbage, some bell peppers, zucchini. Roughly equal amounts of each one, as I said. But yeah, you can play around with it. Another 4 minutes, high heat, keep it moving. Beautiful. Right, next up we're going to go 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, very salty. Then the soy, I'm using a dark soy. You can use a light one if you want. A couple of tablespoons. And oyster sauce, a couple of tablespoons. Let's just give that a little mix. Then what I've got here is I've got some water mixed with corn flour or cornstarch. We're going to add that. We have to sort of play it by ear a little bit. You can see I've got that there, like a kind of slurry. So as it thickens, or heats up, it will thicken, sorry. So there's like 3/4 of a pint of water. Can you see that? It's just going for it straight away pretty much. If it gets too thick, we'll add some more water. With about 2.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. You can see it's thickening. Giving it a lovely glaze. Now you can have it like this, you can make it wetter. That's up to you. Just keep that heat going through it. Okay, I'm gonna add a little touch of water. And you just do this until you get the desired glaze or thickness. Keep it on a high heat, let it go for another 3 minutes and keep it moving all the time. Beautiful. I'm happy like that. Beautiful glaze there. Green onions, spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them, in the mix. And then I'm going to serve that. Now some people would serve this with egg, like an omelette or something on the side. I'm going to go just straight like this. Fantastic. Okay, and there you go. That's a version of chop suey, chicken chop suey. Obviously lots of different ways of making it. Any combo of vegetables. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.